Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. The other day, I got this really nice gift from Monica over at Sparkles by Monica. And I've been itching to do some creating with this stuff. Now, if you want to see the unboxing of all this, I'll leave a link at the end of this video so you can click on it. But right now, I'm just going to kind of go through here. I don't exactly know what I'm going to make. At first I thought maybe I can make a garland and use these wooden bubblegum beads. They have hot chocolate cups and let's see. Here's some of the hot chocolate cups. I think there's 3 different versions. Here's our little coffee mug with hot chocolate and the marshmallows. And then we got these really cool gingerbread men and some seashells. Oh, I don't know what to make. And then this is really cool too. Isn't he pretty? You could put your essential oils on the little wool ball that goes in there, and you could use this as an ornament or maybe a card dangle on your rearview mirror or a necklace. What to make? So as I got these out, look at that, we got little mittens. I noticed that the holes are drilled this way rather than this way. So it's not going to work for a garland, but these would work really nicely for some tassels. And so I'm probably going to make some tassels with them, but that would be for my other channel, Be Creative. So I think I've narrowed it down. I'm going to make some earrings using these Lampwork Snowmen and these glass snowflake beads. I'm just going to hang them like this. I'm going to get some silver wire, probably use 20 gauge, and just do some wire wrapping, maybe make a link out of these. And that way these won't spin around so much. Sometimes when you just hang a lampwork bead, they tend to kind of spin around, but I think I can keep them from doing that. So let me go get my wire and all my tools, and I'll be right back. So I have my round nose pliers and my flesh cutters, and I'm using flat nose pliers. I've got my ear wires and 20 gauge aluminum craft wire in silver. And I'm trying to figure out exactly how I want to do these. I could do them like this, or I could drop it off the bottom, or I could do a mismatched pair. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take the wire on the spool. I don't cut it. That way I have less waste. And I'm going to make this snowman into a link. And I'm going to do somewhat of a messy wrapped loop down at the bottom here. And then just tuck that wire in. I don't feel anything poking out, so it should be fine. Slide it down. And do another loop at the top. Again, tuck that wire in. So once I got the loops all done, I turned the bottom loop like that, and then the top loop like that. And then I'm going to hang it on in ear wire, making sure it's facing the right way. Okay, now, by the way, this is what we're making. I'm going to take a head pin and we're just going to make a simple loop. You can wrap it if you want, but I didn't want the added length, so that's why I'm just doing a simple loop. All right. Sorry for the interruptions all the time. We've got some sick children here, and we've been tag teaming. I think we all have the flu, which is not good. I am actually on the upswing right now. But anyway, so I just did a simple loop, and now I'm just going to open it up and hang it on the bottom of that snowman. And close her up. And boom. We've got us some fun little earrings with lots of movement. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these fun little snowman earrings. A thumbs up, a subscribe, and a comment would be greatly appreciated. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.